Hi, this is Mike Elliott, and you're watching CEOLive. Today we're going to be joined by Mr. Jose Mir. Mr. Mir is the CEO of SensiVida Medical Technologies, a minimally invasive diagnostic device company. Their proprietary microsystems-based optical technology automates biosensing and data acquisition while minimizing patient discomfort. SensiVida Medical Technology is a publicly traded company. Its common stock trades under the symbol SVMT. Today, Mr. Mir is going to give us an overview of the SensiVida technology platform and some insight into the market need it hopes to address. Good afternoon, Jose. Thanks for joining us.
Hi, Mike. It's a pleasure spending time with you.
SensiVida has a technology platform that has the potential to address multiple needs in the medical diagnostic space. Could you help us understand the shortcomings of current diagnostic methods?
As many of you that are watching this know by experience, there are some diagnostic methods that require either extracting, drawing blood, or rather painful piercing of the skin. Two technologies that you may immediately think of are people with diabetes that have to have their glucose levels sensed, monitored periodically. Type 1 diabetics have to do it many times a day. Type 2 diabetics, which is the vast majority of them, of the diabetics, have to have the test done maybe 2 to 4 times a day. But either way, you have to take the time, pierce your finger, get the blood out, put it on a sensor, and get a blood reading. So that is one area that is not only somewhat painful and uncomfortable, but it's also inconvenient at times for especially people that are young and people that are older that may actually forget that they have to have this done. The other one is the other area which is critically important, and a large percentage of particularly the U.S. population are allergic to something. Every year, about 30 to 40 million people go to their general practitioner with some type of an allergy problem. Of those, only 6 million or so people get tested. If you have seen or experienced a test, somebody marks your arm with little marks, then puts droplets of allergen, and then take as many as 40 needles, pricks your skin, and then after 20 minutes or so, you see the reactions, they measure it with a ruler, and they sit in front of a computer and enter the data on a database for an electronic medical record. What our technology does is it really cuts the time down significantly from about 35 to 40 minutes that it takes to more like 10 to 12 minutes. And it is absolutely painless to the patient. It takes up very little amount of time and also surface area of the patient's arm, as opposed to taking the entire arm of the patient. Another benefit which is significant is if you have had this test, you're highly allergic, these welts or wheals that you develop, they may be with you for a good day. And after about 30 minutes, we have found our test, because the dosage is so low, can within just 30 minutes to an hour, the remaining side effects of these tests are gone. So we believe that because this test is faster, it's cheaper, it's better for the professional, and it's really totally painless to the patient. It's not only going to be able to substitute the existing technology, but it's also going to bring in a larger market of individuals that are currently not being tested for a number of reasons. And we believe we're going to be able to grow the market because of the benefits of this technology.
And so, just to clarify, your technology is going to overcome the shortcomings of current diagnostic methods, those being they're painful, they're time-consuming, they're not always accurate, they're costly. And I heard you mention diabetes and allergy testing. I mean, are those the two? What market needs, I guess, are you focused on right now in terms of your R&D and the products you want to come to market with first?
Our first target market is allergy testing. It is a large market. It's over $1 billion. And even if we penetrate a fraction of the allergists that are using a certain standard test, it's going to be a significant revenue for the company. The other one is very, very large, much larger, which is diabetes or glucose monitoring. And that one is also, I would say, our second product to market. It turns out it's based on almost the same technology. The technology involves these very small micro lancets or needles, and it involves image processing technology. And SensiVida is blessed to live in a part of the country that has very strong capabilities in both the microelectronics and micro systems area, as well as image processing, with very large companies and universities like Xerox, like Kodak, Bausch and Lomb, Corning, University of Rochester, RIT, and others, that we can draw a lot of talent from these universities and these companies. And that's what we have done to build this company. So we're at the right place at the right time, and we're going after market needs and diagnostic technologies that are needed by professionals as well as by patients.
Well, Jose, thanks for joining us. That concludes our time for now. It definitely sounds like you have an exciting technology with a lot of practical applications for a potentially huge market. So we want to follow the developments over the rest of the year. So we're going to be speaking with some of your key scientists and people that are developing some of the technology platforms into marketable products. So we look forward to doing that with you. Were there any comments that you'd like to add before we close?
No, I think that'll cover it, but I'd love to talk more. I love this technology. It's affected my family, and it's really a passion of ours to get this out in the market, because we understand the very significant need for these painless technologies that currently are affecting many people's lives in not such a positive way, and we want to certainly improve the quality of healthcare in this country.
Thank you, Jose. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Mike.
We've been talking to Mr. Jose Mir. He's the CEO of SensiVida Medical Technologies. To find out more about SensiVida, you can visit their website at www.sensividamedtech.com, or you can visit their social media newsroom at www.netgenpr.com/SensiVida-medical. Thank you.